New tonight, some fresh options are giving Montgomery County parents greater control over what their kids are being taught in school. Over the summer, the Supreme Court ordered the school district to allow parents to opt out of lessons that conflict with their religious beliefs.
Yeah, school leaders came up with a system to post curriculum materials in advance. Our Matt Gregory shows us how it's working halfway through the semester.
Superintendent of Schools Thomas Taylor rolled out the policy earlier this year, dubbing it the refrigerator curriculum. In it, parents can literally post what their kids are learning on the fridge, look at it, and see if it goes against their religious beliefs. So a month into the new policy, how are parents responding?
Refrigerator curriculum was a great start.
During the pandemic, Montgomery County parent Rosalind Hanson joined the front lines of the battle to get faith-based exemptions in schools.
They cut parents out, they took the ability away to say no thank you, and they completely disrespected those who have deeply held religious beliefs, myself included. They basically said, no, your beliefs don't matter here.
Following a Supreme Court ruling over the summer, the district unveiled its new policy, the refrigerator curriculum. Every 9 weeks, the school now sends courses and materials for parents to review ahead of time. If there's an issue, specifically, if something on the curriculum conflicts with a family's religious beliefs, they fill out a form and opt their student out of that part of the lesson.
So I think it's a great first step in rebuilding the trust that parents have lost in Montgomery County Public Schools.
So how's the program going? Well, according to documents sent to us by MCPS, as of September 18th, 43 families have opted out of curriculums based on their religious beliefs. The most common objections have been themes like LGBTQ+, culture/diversity and inclusion in elementary schools, LGBTQ+ and social justice in middle school, and in high school, it's the book All American Boys, which addresses police brutality, that's gotten the most attention from concerned parents.
I went through and I looked and I said, okay, what's going on in 8th grade?
While she supports the policy, Hanson hasn't actually objected to any of her own son's materials.
So we're at a place now in his journey that we can have more candid conversations that I couldn't have and wasn't comfortable having with my 10 or 9-year-old at the time.
Still, Hanson argues that the curriculum idea doesn't go far enough. She says it lacks standardization.
Case in point, we do not have an equitable curriculum. What kids are being taught in Rachel Carson in 1st grade, for example, may or may not be the exact same thing that they are being taught at Bannockburn Elementary School.
Now, how do the teachers feel about it? Well, the Montgomery County Educators Association sent us a statement that, in summary, reads, they're concerned that the existing staffing is inadequate to meet the needs of both families who opt out and those who don't. In Montgomery County, Matt Gregory,